Principles of database normalization. This is actually a major topic in computer science. However, in this course, I will not dwell too much into it. I will only focus on the concepts that are relevant to this course. So to those of you who are not from computer science, please do not worry. It won't be too complex for you to understand. So what is database normalization? All of you know what a database is, but what about normalization? It is basically a process of reducing redundancy and preserving data integrity in a database. Specifically, it is used to eliminate redundant data, minimize errors and anomalies, and simplify queries. Let's look at one example. What happens when you don't normalize your table? Well, immediately you see redundant data. For example, project code PC010 is a reservation system managed by Mr. Ajay with a budget of $120,500. These data appear 3 times in the table. Similarly, for the other two project codes, the project name HR system and attendance system are also redundant. We do not want this in our table. Hence, it is important for us to normalize the database first before performing our data analysis and visualization. Why is this normalization process so important? For instance, if you change the project name of PC010 into something else, then you need to repeat this process 3 times. This is inefficient and could potentially result in the wrong project name being entered. Having to change the project name 3 times may not necessarily result in error. However, imagine PC010 appears 1,000,000 times in the table, and you need to change the project name 1,000,000 times. The chances of you making a mistake are quite high in this situation. All in all, the table on this slide is highly undesirable and should be avoided. In the next few videos, we will look at an example of a normalized table or a table that is desired.